5.4, we're looking at factors and multiples. So it's important to remember that with factors, we're thinking our factor times another factor equals our product. So what can I multiply by another number to get a number? Multiples, really we're just skip counting by a number. So what we're going to see a lot in when we look at multiples is where it will say, okay, is the number a factor of 5? So what it's saying there, if it says, is the number or let's do multiple, sorry, is a multiple of 5. So it's saying if I skip count by the number it gives me, if I skip count by 5, will I say the number it gives me? So let's do a couple examples. Let's do 3, 5, 10, 14, 21, and 25. So is the number a multiple of 5? If I skip count by 5, will I say the number down below? So if I skip count by 5, if I go 5, 10, 15, 20, will I say 3? No. If I skip count by 5s, will I say 5? 5, 10, 15, yep. If I skip count by 5, will I say 10? So 5, 10, yep, so 10 is a multiple. If I skip count by 5, will I say 14? 5, 10, 15, nope, I will not say 14. So 14 is not a multiple. When I skip count, I won't say it. 21, if I skip count by 5, will I say 21? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, nope. You could hear in the last one, 25, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. If I skip count by 5, I will say 25. So 25 is a multiple of 5. Really the hardest part about factors and multiples together is just the wordage and remembering, okay, with factors, what do I do? With multiples, what do I do? Another example of something that we might see, just 1 minute. Is where it will give us a number and it will say to tell whether another number is a factor, a multiple, or neither. So for example, let's look at the number 10. We might have something where it says, okay, is 20 a factor, multiple, or neither? So I need to think, okay, what is a factor? What is a multiple? Factor, I'm going to do something times something to get 10. So can I do 20 times something and get 10? No. So I know it can't be a factor. Multiple, is 20 a multiple of 10? If I skip count by 10, will I say 20? 10, 20, 30, yep, so I know it is. Sometimes we'll have one where it is neither. The last thing that we'll kind of look at with factors and multiples is common multiples, and we'll see that come up again in other grades in the future. So we might have an example where it says, okay, list the multiples of 3. And we'll say list the first 10. So we're just going to skip count by 3. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. And I'll double check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then it will say find the multiples of 6. I'm going to find the next 10. And usually it will tell us to find the next 9 or the next 10. So I'm going to do 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, and 60. And we'll check that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again, you can see Knowing our basic facts comes in really handy. Then it will ask, what are the common multiples? So just like when we found common factors, we listed them and then circled the ones that they all had. We're going to do the same thing here. So do they both have 3? No. Do they both have 6? Yes. Do they both have 9? No. Do they both have 12? Yes. 15? No. They do both have 18. This one has a lot in common. Usually we'll only have like 1 or 2. 21? No. 24? Yes. 27? No. 30? Yes. We're only going to go as far as they give us. A lot of times we'll see story problems where we'll ask, what's the first possible combination? So we would want that least common multiple, the smallest one. So that would be 6.